LMG's Techlinked news show, part of a complete breakfast. That was a joke. Please don't eat your screen. All right, let's start off with some bright and sunny news. Your iPhone has probably been hacked.
What?
Oh, sorry, it's fixed now. Sorry, didn't mean to scare you. Researchers from Google's Project Zero posted a write-up yesterday detailing a system of websites that attacked any iPhone that visited them by taking advantage of 14 different exploits. The researchers estimate that the sites received thousands of visitors a week for at least 2 years, and if an attack was successful, an affected iPhone would be implanted with malware that would steal files, location data, usernames, and passwords too.
Not my passwords!
Yeah! The iOS security flaws have now been fixed after Google disclosed the issue to Apple in February, but the attackers could still have that data that they harvested from hundreds of thousands of iPhones. So I guess what happens on your iPhone might very well stay on your iPhone, as long as you don't go on the internet. Who needs the internet? What do you need that for? Anyway, just take selfies and appreciate them by yourself. You're beautiful. And don't let anyone tell you any different.
You're beautiful too.
Thank you. In other news, Apple has finally opened up their device repair program, just a little. Yesterday, Apple announced the Independent Repair Provider Program, an initiative designed for companies interested in offering out-of-warranty repair services for iPhones. If they agree to the terms, third-party repair businesses can get the same Apple-certified parts, training, and resources as Apple Authorized Service Providers, or AASPs. Repair shops can apply for free and receive free training on how to perform repairs, but unlike AASPs, independent repair shops will not be compensated for labor or parts and won't be listed on Apple's service locator, and may not have access to Apple's various diagnostic and repair utilities. And while this is a move in the right direction for Apple, it doesn't address the concerns of the right to repair movement, whose adherents want to be able to repair their own devices without getting warnings in iOS that their battery is super sketchy and might explode if you don't bring it to the Genius Bar stat.
Boom!
And Facebook is using a Microsoft app to step on Google's toes. I should clarify, Facebook is using Minecraft to build a generalist artificial intelligence. You see, most AI projects these days focus on a single use case. AI created by Google's DeepMind has mastered chess and Go and is closing in on StarCraft. But in each of these cases, a different AI program was used, AlphaZero, AlphaGo, and AlphaStar, respectively. Now, Facebook's project aims to create an AI that could develop general intelligence, and it says Minecraft is a great arena for this, being an open-world sandbox with massive room for creativity. And the company's researchers say their work could make a true AI assistant possible, which would probably be a lot more useful than their previous attempts at the M virtual assistant. Now, let's hope this doesn't lead to a nightmare future where Facebook accidentally creates a conscious being in the image of Mark Zuckerberg, whose sole motivation is to escape in the virtual world and suck up everyone's data even more than Facebook already does. What? You've seen Westworld.
No, I haven't.
Well, anyway, on to the sponsor bits filmed by Riley for Quick Bits.
Now it's time for Quick Bits, brought to you by the Tautronic SoundSurge 46 wireless headphones. These babies have improved hybrid active noise canceling technology, which reduces low frequency sound by up to 96%. So you can always enjoy your music whether you're in a bus, a plane, or a Category 5 hurricane. I would probably take them off in that scenario and seek safety, but that's just me. The SoundSurge 46 provides 2 hours of music from just a 5-minute charge, a super comfortable and adjustable fit, and dual 40mm drivers with a well-rounded sound signature. Even phone calls will sound clear thanks to the built-in CVC 6.0 noise canceling microphone. So if that sounds like something you're into, pick up the Tautronic SoundSurge 46 wireless headphones at the link in the video description.
Quick Bits, part of a complete breakfast. And that's not a joke. That was bad.
That's a bad joke.
Riley, that's a terrible joke. Google isn't just concerned about Apple's security. The tech giant has now opened up its bug bounty program to any app in the Play Store with more than 100 million installs. Now, previously, only a set of 8 top apps were eligible for rewards if users identified a vulnerability. Now, it's about time that Google did this. The Play Store has been ravaged by popular malware-hiding apps in recent times. And let's hope they relax the requirements a bit more, because even 1 million installs is a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeah, like definitely more than this room could hold. Anyway.
What?
I don't know, Riley wrote that. Plex is trying to brand itself more as not just a content hub for pirates. The media management service is working on a feature that could let users buy and use video subscription services through Plex. And it's partnering with Warner Bros. To provide part of that company's movie catalog in 2020. But don't worry, modern Blackbeards will still be able to use Plex to hoard their spoils. Now, HTC has expanded their Viveport Infinity VR subscription to the Valve Index headset. Now, the service is already available on the Oculus Rift, the Windows Mixed Reality headsets, and of course, the HTC Vive. So Infinity is now effectively a true cross-platform Netflix for VR. Wait, did HTC actually succeed at something?
Probably not.
What is this, 2011? What's happening? Am I a Minecraft AI? I don't know what that is. Earlier this year, the European Commission started an antitrust investigation into a number of major game companies for geo-blocking content. But while ZeniMax, Capcom, Bandai Namco, and others plan to reach a settlement, Valve plans to fight the charges. They want a closed-door hearing with the EU so that they can explain, like, don't you understand? We did it to make more money. See? It makes sense.
They have to have more money.
Yeah. And World of Warcraft Classic has swept the globe, so much so that the servers are full to the point that players are stuck in queues waiting to log in.
Wow, it really is like the classic experience.
Well, some players are gaming the system and they're using auto-clicker programs to keep their character active so they can do things like eat and use the bathroom without having to wait when they sit back down at the electronic altar. Of course, that means other players have to wait a little longer to get in. Nothing like showing your love for a fan-favorite game by not letting other people play. Come on! All right, that's it. No more tech news. We have exhausted the supply. Pretty sure another shipment is coming in on Monday though, so come back then and we'll get you hooked up for free.
Isn't Monday a holiday?
Yes.
Are you really making people work on Monday?
No, Riley is, because he's in charge of this.